The Kamehameha, a cocktail tribute to Son Goku from Dragon Ball Z. Bright golden body, explosively energetic, and a literal flame on top. Tequila for Saiyan raw power, yellow chartreuse for the Super Saiyan Gold, and a Kamehameha blast to finish. Earth's greatest defender in a glass. 9 elements go into this Saiyan drink: Blanco tequila, yellow chartreuse, fresh orange juice, fresh lime juice, ginger syrup, 1 egg white, Angostura bitters, a bit of overproof rum for the flame, and an orange peel disc to float it on. Start with 1.5 ounces of Blanco tequila. Blanco is unaged, raw, and sharp, just like Goku's power. Tequila plus ginger syrup is what gives this drink its fiery Saiyan edge. Espolon, or Don Julio Blanco, keep it clean. 1/2 ounce of yellow chartreuse. This is what gives the drink its Super Saiyan Gold color, yellow, luminous, and herbaceous. There's no true substitute, but Strega or Galliano come close if you can't find it. Now the signature move. 1 egg white gives you the silky foam. Drop 2 dashes of Angostura bitters on the foam and drag a toothpick through them to make a 4-pointed star, the 1-star Dragon Ball. Then float an orange peel disc on top. Pour a 1/4 ounce of overproof rum into the small cup of the peel and carefully ignite. That's your Kamehameha blast. Dry shake the tequila, chartreuse, 3/4 ounce of orange juice, 1/2 ounce of lime juice, 1/2 ounce of ginger syrup, and 1 egg white for 15 seconds. No ice yet. The dry shake is what whips the foam. Then add ice and shake again until the shaker is frosted. Double strain into a chilled coupe. Drop your bitters. Drag your star. Float the orange peel. Fill with 151 proof rum and ignite. Let the flame burn out completely before you drink. The Kamehameha is bright, citrus forward, gingery, and dangerously energetic. A drink with enough Saiyan power to carry Earth through another saga. Let the flame burn. Say the words. Come back and sit down for another drink soon.